What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today I have a very exciting tech video for you guys. And today I want to address a scenario that happens to me far too often as a creator. When I'm traveling, I've got my phone dying, my laptop has got 5% left, I've got a tablet that needs charge as well, and everything is fighting for just one outlet. You've got one charger, one outlet. That moment right there is why Anker built Prime. This isn't just about charging faster, this is about building an entire power ecosystem that finally keeps up with how powerful our devices have become. Anker Prime is their flagship charging line, and this is where they put all of their best technology. You've got GaN Prime 2.0, Power IQ 5.0, Turbo Boost, Active Shield, and Anker Sense. Today, I'm going to show you guys what each of these means in real-world usage and walk you through a complete Prime charging ecosystem that can change the way you power your entire suite of devices. So first, let's talk about each of those technologies. GaN Prime 2.0 is actually the combination of 5 core technologies. Power IQ 5.0 for intelligent dynamic power distribution, Active Shield 4.0 running over 10 million temperature checks a day, GaN architecture for optimized compact performance, consistent charging for steady 140 watt single port output, and high energy efficiency across the entire system. Power IQ 5.0 is the brain of this whole thing. So, what does this actually mean for you in practical use? It basically means laptop class power, smarter charging, and better safety in a charger that fits in your pocket. And that's where this comes in. This is the Anker Prime 160 watt charger, the world's most compact 160 watt multi-port charger. With a power density of 1.35 watts per centimeter cubed, this charger delivers a 160 watt max total output, and a single USB-C port can power up to 140 watts. All this power in such a compact design. This is really great if you travel a lot. You're going to have all of those technologies that take care of the efficient power distribution, but you've also got such a compact design that you can fit it right inside your bag or even your purse or your side bag. Anything that you have, even your pocket, this thing is going to fit because it's so incredibly compact. Active Shield 4.0 is constantly monitoring temperature to prevent overheating, so even at these insane power levels, this incredibly compact charger stays safe. Next up, let's talk about smart control with Anker Sense. This screen here is called Anker Sense. Anker's Active Shield with smart protection makes sure that your device stays cool while charging at high speeds so that you have nothing to worry about. Real-time power, real-time temperature, no guessing whatsoever. What this means in practical use is that you have control. You always know exactly what your power system is doing, and there's no guesswork involved. Next, let's talk about a couple of revolutionary power banks that use Anker's Turbo Boost technology. These new Anker Prime power banks come in 2 different sizes. You have a 26K capacity with 300 watts of total output and a 20K capacity with 220 watts of maximum total output. Now, while they're both fairly portable, if you want something a little bit smaller and lighter, a little more compact, you can go with that 20K size and you still get a sizable amount of charging power for all of your devices. Turbo Boost is Anker's first ultra-fast power bank recharging technology via a charging base. And this part is important. Turbo Boost only works when you pair the power bank with the Anker Prime charging base. This is not wired charging. This is dock-style wireless power at up to 150 watts, which is incredibly impressive. In practice, this means you walk in, drop your power bank on the base, and it starts charging at a speed most wired chargers can't even touch. And utilizing that technology is the Anker Prime 26K 300 watt power bank, an industry-leading 300 watt multi-port fast charging power bank. When you place it on the charging base, it wirelessly charges at up to 150 watts, hitting 50% in just 21 minutes, which is absolutely amazing considering, remember, this is not wired charging. You're just dropping it right on the base wirelessly. You don't have to deal with any annoying cords every day. This is really a plug-and-play system that once you set it up, it's incredibly easy to use. You can see here on my desk, I have 2 laptops, my MacBook and my Windows laptop, 1 phone, all powered from this one battery. That's nearly 300 watts of output, and a single USB-C port can deliver up to 140 watts fast charging. If you want a more portable version, Anker also offers a 20,000 milliamp hour version as well. With a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, it still delivers up to 220 watts of power, the same Prime tech, smaller body, easier to travel with, and lighter to put in your bag. What this means in daily use is that you get the same Prime performance without carrying around something that's quite as heavy. Honestly, in my personal usage, both of these are relatively easy to carry around, but if you do want to put something in your pocket and not your bag, certainly the 20K charger would be a little more practical in that sense. The charging base truly completes this ecosystem, with Turbo Boost only existing because of this important piece: the dock that unlocks wireless 150 watt charging. So what does this mean practically? It means your power bank becomes something you store and not something that you babysit. This also looks incredibly sleek on your desk, minimizes the number of wires you have to stay powered up at all times. Because of that wireless system, you just drop it on, and it honestly looks incredibly clean on any modern desk setup. Honestly, after using this over the last couple weeks, I can say that this isn't just charging, it's a full power ecosystem. And once you've used something like this Anker Prime ecosystem with the charging base, it's really hard to go back to traditional power chargers, power banks. Definitely hope you guys will check out the links below in the pinned comment description. I'll have links, also any relevant discounts or deals that Anker has going on right now. We had a lot of fun. Huge shout out to Anker for sending out this whole suite of products. If you guys have any questions about them, technical questions, usage questions, what you think is, what I think is right for you, I'm happy to answer all those in the comments. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.